Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the essentials: the device dispenser, the Zonai parts you want it to output, and a single power source. Place the dispenser on flat ground close to your base or vehicle so wiring stays short. Once placed, rotate it so the output faces where you need the item to appear. Make sure you have inventory space, otherwise items will drop and despawn. This first placement gets the dispenser ready to receive materials and accept configuration. Once done, open the dispenser UI and load the exact materials you want produced, specifying output count and stack sizes. You must connect a power source such as a shock or wind emitter, use repeaters or wiring to bridge long distances. Next, choose how the dispenser triggers: continuous interval, external signal, or manual switch, and set timing so production matches your need. Make sure the wiring polarity and timing align, otherwise the dispenser will remain idle despite power. You finish by running a single test cycle to verify output, watching that materials decrease and items spawn where intended. If items clip into terrain or travel the wrong path, adjust orientation or the ejection angle and tweak timing or power strength. If the dispenser fails, detach power, empty its inventory, reload the exact parts, then reconnect power to reset state. One key troubleshooting tip: resetting power often clears stuck.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.